Go, buddy, go. Just go.
Symphony? Huh? Symphony?
It's CFE.
What is it?
He's proceeding from Adams to Cole on the main track. Good afternoon to early evening, folks. This is Bradley here. Current time now is 5:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yes, folks, we got a CFE train coming. I heard the CFE train is proceeding from milepost 291 to Cole here on the main track here. Current temperature is 50 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Let's go, buddy, go. On the railroad spotting here. I'm sorry, folks. I don't like when people know what I'm doing, so I told them to go to make sure they don't know what I'm doing, okay? So just don't worry about it. Yes, folks, this afternoon to early evening, we got a CFE train coming. We got 2 units. He's right now getting ready to get closer to the signal right now at milepost 287.7 here on the main track here, which is where the diamond is. Oh, there goes the signals for Wall Street. Yes, folks, this train is known as CFE-09. Get ready to proceed from Adams to Cole here on the main track here. It's all right, folks. That's just my friends we're talking here. Here he comes. I'm at Jefferson Street Railroad Crossing here at milepost 287.5. There goes the signals. We got a CFE train coming. Get ready to proceed from Adams to Cole here on the main track here. Look, there he is, folks. And look, you can see the red signal right there at the diamond over there. Here he comes, folks. There's CFE-09. Can you hear the roar? Can you hear the roar of the CFE train? There he goes. There he goes. He's headed to Lima. Let's go. I'm at Jefferson Street Railroad Crossing here at milepost 287.5 here on the CFE main track here at Wert, Ohio. This is a CFE train. This is a mixed freight and steel train. This is an eastbound. He's headed to Lima. Must came all the way from the Summit City, which is Fort Wayne, Indiana. Yes, folks, this is an eastbound. He's proceeding from Adams to Cole here on the main track here. Proceed from Fort Wayne, Indiana to Lima, Ohio. There are 368 axles at a speed of 24 miles an hour. Proceed from Adams to Cole here on the main track here. Yep, 368 axles. There are a total of 368 axles here on the CFE train. Going at a speed of 24 miles per hour. Proceed from Adams to Cole here on the main track. Proceed from Fort Wayne, Indiana to Lima, Ohio. This train is known as CFE-09. Proceed from Adams to Cole here on the main track. It is 5:26 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Tuesday evening of February 1st, 2022. Got a CFE train, mixed freight steel, 368 axles at a speed of 24 miles per hour. Going to speed from 24 miles an hour. Proceed from Adams to Cole here on the main track here. Oh, there's the last car. You can see the signal right there. All right, there he goes, folks. He's heading to Lima. head to the Cole Street signal, which is in Lima, which is at milepost 261.8 on the main track. I'm at Jefferson Street Railroad Crossing here at milepost 287.5 here on the CFE main track here in Van Wert, Ohio. This has been a CFE mixed freight train. This is an eastbound. He's headed to Lima. Must came all the way from the Summit City, which is Fort Wayne, Indiana. Yes, folks, that was an eastbound. He's proceeding from Adams to Cole here on the main track. But he was sitting at milepost 289, getting ready to proceed from 291 to Cole here on the main track here, since he was waiting for CFE 10 to get to Lima here on the main track here. Yep, he's on his way to Lima. He's headed to the Cole Street signal, which is in Lima, located at the grain elevator by Cole Street Railroad Crossing at milepost 261.8. He's got another 26 miles until he gets to Lima, though. He's got a few more towns he needs to pass here on the main track here. That was a great CFE train, wasn't that, folks? That was a great one. All right, well, folks, I hope you're really enjoying that CFE train. I'll see if I get more soon, okay? Hope you all subscribe to my channel. Give it a like, give it a comment, what you think about the trains here on the railroad. And yes, folks, I want you all to stay safe in the next few days because we got a winter storm warning in effect until Friday morning because I just got the latest update from the Northern Indiana National Weather Service. We might have somewhere between 8 to 12 inches of snow here with this monster snowstorm we're supposed to get in the next few days, okay? All right, we all stay safe out there and all those railroad and weather spotters. Make sure all you stay safe and make sure you be careful out there during the snowstorm. If you spot a train, make sure you have an emergency kit in your vehicle in case if there's an emergency that you need to do, okay? As a weather and railroad spotter, I want you all to stay safe out there, okay? All right, well, you all, and everybody out there on the railroad and weather, you make sure you all stay safe out there. Stay safe and make sure you drive carefully out there if you're experiencing during the monster snowstorm, okay? All right, well, you all have a good day. You all stay warm out here and make sure you all stay safe out there. Because I want to make sure everybody stays safe out here because this storm is going to be a monster, so you all stay safe out there. This is Bradley here. You all have a good day. All right, thank you. All right, bye.